Hey guys, welcome back to the video today. I am on a 500 GB laptop. I actually just got a new account. And today, I hope this can record a bit longer, so if all of a sudden the video ends, that's because it has a very small space. Today, guys, we're going to be playing, not sure, I don't know, let's just go play a jailbreak. It's the easiest game. Even though it's right now I'm not so good with Booga Booga and the competition. I actually could do face cam, but I don't know if I should because my face looks ugly. But yeah, let's just go play. Roblox. Like I'm telling you, this is not my actual computer. I kid you not. Here, I'll just do this. See, it's clicking. That's my mouse for my computer, and see, if we're clicking it, that would be popping up on my laptop. So it's proof that I'm on my actual computer. Well, it's actually not so much proof because I could just be like unplug my mouse, but I'm actually using my like keypad. I don't know what it's called, and the arrows to look around. So, thank God I'm not used to like. Well, I'm gonna let everything load, and I'm gonna be like start working again. So 1 second. Okay, guys, we're back. There's Bacon here. Think he can get away without me stealing his key card? No way, Jose. What is this Bacon here doing? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm just gonna escape. I'm just gonna escape like that. Boom. Boom. If I get rich, I'm not gonna rage. There's no point. Is everybody in this gosh darn game? It's a camper. I'm trying to save up for the gosh darn see how hard life is? See what these camping cops do? Do you see what these camping cops do? They do that. They're mean. They're mean. No. Nuh-uh. I did not live a good life. I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna full screen it because I can. Is it 1:42? No, it's 12:42. It's an hour behind. No, yeah, okay, yeah, the time's right. Sorry, I'm looking at my my computer. It's an hour behind, so it is 1:42. Hey, nice. This first guy is giving free key cards. Thank you so much. You helped me out a heck ton. I could just get in a helicopter and escape. Never mind. I can't do that because someone's taking it. Okay. Plan B. Oh. Actually, there's no plan B. It's just try not to, Set officer. Stop. Yo, you. Follow me. Okay. Just my best. Rob bunker. Did he leave? Yeah. We're waiting for all the caper cops to be gone. A quick view. Come in. Crouch. God, okay. Come on, man. What a nice life. Oh, by the way, my car has never done this, so I'm not used to this. I've never had lag. I have, but it was on an old computer. Oh god, that's why I can't record with Screencast-O-Matic on this PC. Okay, go down. Go. Hey, don't shop. Why you just do that? Because cops just gonna go there and they're like, pow, 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 pow. I need 600 cash and I have 6,000. Someone texted me. 1 second. See who texted me in a second. Come on, go up. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna bunker right here. See? Text me. I'll be right back. About that, guys. It was just one of my friends. He wanted to give him 35 Robux, and he just said thanks. Okay. I'm actually just gonna bunker here. I need a $600 cash. Wanna buy me the Ferrari or the McLaren? Come on, man, don't do this to me. I could say it was the Bugatti, it'd be mean. Yeah, that's right. That lag, though, this is why I have a terabyte computer. Very useful. This is useful for like when I go out and that. I'm not playing like He texted me again. This is not the time, man. Come on. Let's start do it. Come on, man. Make it. Come on, I need to make it. Come on, come on. Yeah. I made it in. Why is that so far open? Biggest heist ever. Okay. Okay. Right here.
How's your computer working now, Tristan?
Good, Mom. Oh, 1,500 for I'm not taking that shit. You can go, man. Come on. I'm standing here. Well, that's actually gonna be this is gonna be a short video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.